Hey guys, welcome to Drinking Drips. Been a brand new unboxing episode and I think it's going to be a wild one. We're either going to be wildly disappointed or just going to be plain wild. I'm Dad and here we are with our mystery box. Now, for a little background before we open this up. First, this hasn't been opened whatsoever. I have no idea what's in here, and based on my experience so far, I think it's going to be wild. So I went to a website, and we'll put it right here, gethypebox.com. Now, Thomas got me excited to look at all these mystery boxes, and so I just, being a dumb dad, picked the first one I saw, and they probably have good SEO so they get to the top of that search engine, so I went to Get Hypebox. Now if you look on the website, and we'll show it, there's 3 different levels. I went and got the biggest one. Now this is supposed to have over like $400 worth of value, I think like 6 to 8 pieces. I mean, it's supposed to be name brand stuff, put together tight. I ordered it at the beginning of May, and it literally took over a month to get here. In fact, I had to challenge the transaction, and it wasn't until that day that they generated a postal slip, and I'll show you the top of the box. So they generated the postal slip, but I don't know if you guys order a lot of stuff on the internet, but you can generate a postage for the USPS, but that doesn't mean it actually gets shipped out. You can generate it, and it'll say, if you look it up, not sent out yet, waiting from sender, and it sat that way for like a week or 10 days, I can't remember exactly. Finally, it gets put in the mail, and then today it comes. It was actually supposed to come last night, and it was so weird because we love the post office, we use them for everything, but it sat there overnight, and I thought that was really, really weird. So it came this morning about 10 o'clock, and I don't want to show the address of where it came from or mine, but I'm going to show you up on the screen what's on there. Can you believe that? I mean, first it says postage due. I had to pay $39.69, and I know how much stuff costs to ship because we've sent a few shoes out. They basically paid none of the postage, and I had to pay it, or otherwise I wasn't going to get the box. So I had to make the decision, do I want to eat the $40 and try to get it from later? Because there's no way I was going to get this box back, and I already put out a bunch, over a couple $100 on it, and we're going to later do a tally of how much I spent versus the value of this box. And I got to tell you, I'm super skeptical that it's even going to be close to value considering my experience. Not only did they have postage due and not pay any of the postage, right here you can see on the screen it says opened for inspection by USPS. Now, I've never had a package opened by the USPS for inspection. This is one of those things we'd love to have you comment on. If you've ever had a package open for inspection and found out why, I would love to see in the comments, because by trade, I do criminal defense work, and the only time I've ever seen packages inspected is they think they're sending contraband from one place to the other. And I will tell you that this came from California, and I live on the East Coast, so I don't know, it seems odd. I know I'm not on any list for putting drugs in the mail, that's for sure. So I'm gonna have to look into that further and see, why they looked in my package, or because I have no idea why. But normally, when we represent clients or other people, if they find stuff in your package, they don't hold on to it. They put it in the mail to see if you'll pick it up. Then to prove that it's yours, when you pick it up, they're like, aha, we got you. That was your package. So I had to pay the postage. It got cracked open into, I don't know what kind of shape it's going to be when I get in there. Maybe there's a note from the postal inspector. Sorry, Charlie, I don't know. But nonetheless, here we are. So with that being said, let's get to the intro. So here we are opening the Hype box. Okay, there is a box. Okay, first, it actually is an interior box. It's kind of like, looks like what they have on the website. There's a sticker, your streetwear on autopilot. We'll see about that. Then there is a Nike, it's a Nike coronavirus mask. That's actually kind of interesting. Okay, so we're gonna take the little box out of the big box. So we have this, and then there's something in here. Okay.
I mean, it's fine.
We're getting close to, okay, so we got the bag. That's probably, we'll look at the retail on that later. So here's the hype box. It says hype on it, so there must be hype in there. Okay, so we've already got the sticker and the Corona mask and a bag, probably at least worth $15. Now we're going to open it up.
The truth
And there's paper.
shall set you free.
And let's begin. There's a Nike SB hat, blue. There's a Nike SB hat, white, and it even still has a tag on it, $10. So I'm imagining these three hats are $10. Okay, here's a Reebok Classic. Now I gotta be honest, I did actually buy one of these Reebok Classic hats on my own. So it's not like I'm opposed to the Classic Reebok. But the question is it going to be worth 200 some odd bucks? That's the question.
Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, so we're back, and we'll go through next. I totally got scammed on this, by the way. There's a Nike T-shirt, which again, it's medium. That's my fault. That's regardless of all this. I got the size too small, but I'll have someone that can wear this. But there's a Nike T-shirt that probably you could get at Outlet Mall for $10, maybe $8. Here is another Nike T-shirt that's like camouflage. So that's, probably another $10. And, okay, here's a little bit more substantial things. I say substantial, like fluffier, not as in value. So here is some red Nike sweatpants, standard fit, tapered leg. So, yeah, that's big money item right there. I totally got had. So, in what looks like the last item in here, I keep wanting to look for more, but that's it. Is this Nike? Is it like a Nike? It says retail of $125. It's a Nike like baseball style jacket. It's actually not terrible looking. And I believe it probably retailed loose fit so maybe a loose fit medium. I might could wear that. I don't know if I can get away with this, but this is okay. You could probably get it, like I said, on sale at Marshalls or whatever for like $75. But I think I'll add these up later, I don't think it's going to come to $250 or $70 what I paid. And like I said, I paid for shipping. And so that's another $50, $40. So
Hey guys, it's me Thomas, and I'm here to give my review of what my dad got in his subscription box. Now, to get started, that packaging looked really weird and suspicious. I would not buy from it again. That site, it does not look good. And for the clothing part, most of that stuff I think was cool, but I understand why you wouldn't think that it was worth the buck, because first of all, you added up the prices and you didn't get what the box was. And when you think of hype, and most people, when they think of hype, they think of Supreme, Bape, Off-White, stuff like that. And whenever you got that, that's probably what you were expecting. But the truth is, that type of stuff, one shirt could cost like $100. And it sounds crazy, but that's how it is. And that's when you get like just a $200, you might get like one Supreme shirt, maybe. But if you want that type of stuff, you're probably gonna have to go on a higher budget, which I don't think we could be doing right now, which is fine. But also, if you want to get in the future hype boxes, I would do Saru General, all just more known sites, because that way you'll have more legit, more safe, and probably more what you're expecting. But that being said, I think that the stuff was cool. Wasn't worth the buck. Really suspicious. And do more known sites in the future. That's what I gotta say. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Ding. No, smash the notification bell, okay? But be careful. It's kind of fragile, so don't want to break it. But yeah, peace. We out.